Mathematicians who understand the concepts of addition and place value and prefer to use the most efficient strategy that there is to add, like to use the standard algorithm to add multi-digit numbers. Let's take a look at the standard algorithm in action. Pay attention to how I use the language of addition. Words like grouping, and also pay attention to the words that I use related to place value. Words like hundreds, tens, and ones. So let's add together two numbers to see this algorithm in action. I'll add together 289 plus 877. First, with the standard algorithm, I'm always going to start at the ones. So I am going to go from right to left when I add together my place value. So first I'm going to start with 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 is a double plus 2. 7 and 7 are 14, plus 2 more is 16. Now the number 16 has 6 ones, but a 10. And since I have made a new 10, I'm going to group those 10 ones together, and I will add that new 10 up above the tens column. I'm not carrying a 1. That is not a 1. That is a new 10 that I have grouped together from my 10 1. So it's really important I'm using the language of place value and addition as I add together. Now, I am going to add the new 10 to the 7 tens in 877 because I can make 80 very easily. And then I can see that 80 and 80 are 160. I know that because 8 and 8 are 16. So 80 plus 80 must be 160. Now, in 160, I have 6 tens, or 60, but I made a new 100. So I'm going to add that 100 up there. I'm grouping together the 10 tens to make a new 100. I am not carrying anything. I grouped together the 10 tens to make my new 100. Now I'm going to add together 100 plus 200, that's 300, plus another 800 is 1100, or 1,100. I know that in this number, I have 100, but I have made a new 1,000. So I am going to add that 1,000 in the thousands column. I'm not carrying anything. I've simply grouped together my 10 100s to make a new 1,000. Now, because my number 289 doesn't have any thousands, and my number 877 doesn't have any thousands, I just add together 1 plus 0 to have 1,000. So using the standard algorithm, I can see that 289 plus 877 is 1,166. If you use this strategy too, make sure you use the language of place value and the language of addition, like words like grouping.